And the 4th of July almost here, but so is COVID. In fact, it never left. As THV11's Ian Russell shows us, COVID cases are on the rise and health experts are urging caution this holiday weekend.
It's shaping up to be a busy holiday weekend, and we've already told you about staying safe with fireworks, but there's warnings again of staying safe with COVID. Taking a look at our cases here, we can see we're doing relatively better than before. We had this massive spike in cases back in the early part of the year during Omicron, with cases topping out at almost 15,000. They dropped after that, and we saw some lower numbers here around April. But since then, we're headed back up and steadily. Looking at our rolling average here, you can just see that going up and up and up there. It's why health officials are encouraging not just firework safety ahead of the weekend.
And we're up to over 1,000 active cases. Those are people who are likely currently infectious.
Before you pack the lawn chair and cooler for the fireworks shows, there are some things to keep in mind. COVID is still very much here in central Arkansas, and the Arkansas Department of Health has the data to prove it.
We have a new variant spreading, and I think that will keep going up till it becomes dominant.
That new subvariant BA.5 is a mutation from Omicron, and it's the dominant strain in the United States right now.
We'll continue to see an increase in cases as long as that variant is circulating.
And, as far as UAMS goes, we today have about 15 inpatients who have COVID infection.
Dr. Robert Hopkins with UAMS says where Arkansas is now with COVID is better than we were, but it isn't great as we head into the holiday weekend. There is one benefit, though. The weather is supposed to be nice, meaning more people are able to be outside and spread out.
If you're not feeling well, don't go to that family gathering. If you're not feeling well, don't go out and shoot off fireworks with other folks. Stay inside, get to feeling better. And when you're well, that's when you get together with your friends and your family and your neighbors.
And while that may be the case, Dr. Dillahay says it's up to you to make the safe choice this 4th of July weekend.
This virus is here to stay for a while. It's going to be here for a long time. And so I hope people will learn how to stay informed so they can make appropriate decisions on a day-to-day basis.
Ian Russell, THV 11 News.
Ian, thank you. And a little context for what Dr. Hopkins was talking about. He says at UAMS, they're not seeing near as many people on ventilators or in the ICU, but they are still seeing high levels of transmission.